Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to disable save-in translations in Deepl. So this video guys is only made for people who have the premium version. If you don't have the premium version and specifically the team version, this is not for you. Now, to use this feature guys, you would need to actually have the accounts pro version and you need to follow this article here. So the save translations feature allows Deepl Pro users to manually save their translated text via the web translator. As you will be seeing here, for example, if I want to save translation, you will find here all the translations that you have saved. But in case you had a team, you were a big team and you're sharing your accounts with the team, so people are going to be saving a lot of things and maybe you don't want them to do that. So usually what you can do is to disable the feature by doing the following. So simply just log into your account and navigate to the settings tab. Go to Cloud 7 under security, then click to disable the toggle switch. A new window will appear informing you that all saved translations will be deleted if you disable the feature. Simply click disable on delete. The toggle now will turn gray and the feature will be deactivated for all the team members. After you disable the feature, the recently saved translation section will no longer be displayed on the home pages of your organization. To enable the feature, do the following. Let's go back to the same thing, do the login, go back to the settings to cloud saving, click to activate the toggle switch, and then toggle switch will turn green. And you and your team will be able to use the save translation feature on the web once more. You can only disable the save translation feature for the web translator. It is not possible to disable it for favorite feature, also known as save translations for the Deepl mobile apps. And yeah, this is basically it. If you follow this article, you will be able to disable this feature. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and leave a beautiful comment. Thank you guys a lot and see you guys in the next upcoming video.